Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Sick, guys.
Yeah, hindi pumasok si Mommy.
Yeah.
Lower mo na.
What if you got fired?
No, I already text my boss.
Oh.
Oh, what if Mommy got fired? What will happen?
We can't have money.
Yeah. Tomorrow I can go to work na, no? Okay?
I think I'll be sick tomorrow.
Oh, no. You'll be fine na. Yeah, guys, di ako pumasok kasi kaninang mga 3 AM nagising siya.
Let's
Ang
go
init
to
niya.
the doctors.
Mm-mm.
Like the one right next to Subway.
But if you are feeling well, I'll give you medicine, then you'll be fine.
What medicine?
The chewable one, the grape flavor.
Oh yeah, I like that one.
So, mga 3 AM nagising siya. Mainit, tapos may sipon at ubo. So,
I also got warm water. I'll show you. Where is it?
Tapos, nagising. Ayan, very good yun. Kumuha siya mag-isa ng warm water. Nakatulog kasi ako ulit. Namalayan ko, andun siya sa kitchen. Kumuha ng warm water. Kasi kumain siya ng 2 ice drop kahapon. Tapos, nag-drink pa ng cold water.
And I went outside and it was cold.
Hindi yan siya sanay uminom ng cold water. Wala ako kahapon nag-work. So, hindi ko siya na-remind na wag uminom ng cold water. So, uminom siya ng cold water, kumain pa ng ice drop. Ngayon, nag-sore throat. Medyo mainit siya. So, tinext ko na lang yung supervisor ko, mga 3 AM, magpo-4 na hindi ako makapasok ngayon. Kasi naawa naman ako iwanan dito mag-isa at sila Dabong ay tulog pa. Tapos ayaw niya naman papasukin dito sa atelier. Ayaw niya palipatin. So dito pa kami sa bed. Maya lutuan ko siya ng almusal. Gusto niya lang daw ng noodles. Gusto niya ng sabaw.
And egg.
Yes, okay. Gusto niya ng sabaw. Kawawa naman yun. And today pala guys is Thursday. So bukas Friday mapasok ako. Baka okay na rin siya mamaya. So, maya-maya bangon na din ako. Time check is 11 na. Nagluluto na ako ng noodles ni Sayon. Maganda pala yung panahon, guys. Kala ko makulimlim. Kasi dun sa kwarto madilim, naka-blackout curtain kami. So, madilim doon. Akala ko makulimlim. Pero, ang ganda ng panahon. Sobrang bright. Tingnan niyo yung monstera ko. Ang laki. Parang isang planggana yung dahon niya. 7 years na yan sa akin. No, more than. Siguro mga 10 years na yan. Nakailang putol na ako. Tapos namigay na ako niyan. Meron na naman siyang bagong dahon. Naiipit na siya dito. Wala na siyang space. Sobrang laki niya na, oh. Nagsisikipan na yung mga dahon niya. Kasi sobrang lalaki. Pag ilipat ko naman siya ng ibang corner at walang masyadong sunshine. Walang masyadong araw. Ganito lang kalalaki yung dahon niya. Naliit siya guys kapag hindi na arawan. Ganyan lang siya dati. Tapos simula nung nilagay ko siya dito, ayan. Ang lalaki na ng kanyang mga dahon. Para isang planggana. Yun nga lang, masikip siya dito. Kailangan malaki yung space niyan. Maganda yan kapag sa atin. Tapos pagapangin mo dun sa labas. Sa isang puno, ang ganda niyan. Is it hot? No, right? Is it? No, right? Okay. Hot ang egg. Sorry. That's okay. Sorry. Laugh tuloy si Dabo. It's not funny, Dabo. Oy. Sorry. Bad man si Mami. Oy! Mami is bad lang ga. Nag-cry talaga. Pasok talaga. Baba nga. Guys, lulutuin namin yung togi. Kung Saturday pa to, binili yung bean sprout. Parang yung iba nasira na. Pinipilian ni Dabo. Nakalimutang lutuin namin. So ngayon, today, lulutuin namin pang ulam. Mamayang dinner or kung sino ang magutom this lunch. 1:30 na kasi. Guys, nagpiprito din ako ng isda para may partner ang ating gulay. Ito yung tirang galunggong last time. Ininit ko lang, sayang naman. Para makain. Magpaksiw sana ako kaso makulimlim sa labas. So nagprito na lang ako at i-partner sa ating bean sprout. Dami naming kanin from last night. Nagsaing agad ako. Dapat guys, magigisa ako ng gulay na na-harvest ko kagabi. Kaso masisira na yung bean sprout. So inuna ko muna yung lutuin. Para hindi tayo masayangan ng gulay. Pinagtyagaan ni Bongbong linisin ang bean sprout. Ang dami yung nakuha guys. Oh. Kasi pag hindi yan tinanggal, siguro papait. Last time pumait kasi luma na. Ayan, konti na lang. Madami pa, gang. Pagtyagaan mo lang. There you go. I'm done frying the fish. So, magluluto na ako ng gulay. 2 o'clock na. Tamang-tama pagdating ni Arvil. Nakain na siya. So, ito guys, chicken. Tira namin last night. Leftover yan guys. Ihalo ko rin sa gulay kasi sayang naman. Ihalo ko sa sa bean sprout. Nilagyan ko pala guys ng ng light soy sauce. Para hindi ganun kaalat. And the chicken, lagay na natin. Black pepper. Mushroom seasoning guys. Ito yung ginagamit namin. Hindi magic sarap. Mas healthy. Konting-konting water lang guys. Kasi nagtutubig din yung bean sprout. Para hindi ganun ka-dry. I-dry ko guys para hindi yan ka-watery. Zion, sick pa rin. Pinainom ko na siya, guys, ng Tylenol.
Where's my freeze-dried gummy bears? Freeze-dried gummy bears.
Andun, inside the pantry.
Could you give
Pero
me
pinawisan na rin siya.
Could I have it? Give me.
Wait lang. Pinawisan na
La
siya.
la 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 la.
Pinainom ko
La
na
la
ng
la
gamot.
la la. La la la
Parang
la.
feeling well naman siya. Kumakanta nga, oh. Kaso mainit-init lang. Dala siguro ng
La
sipon.
la la.
You're so cute, boy. You're so cute, my
Could you
love.
give me my freeze-dried gummy bears, please?
Okay.
Yay. I like it. It's good.
Okay.
I never had them because everybody eats them. And also you could scan the QR code to buy different ones.
What?
You could.
Okay. Dami ko lang alam.
Get it?
Okay.
La 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 la. Thank you. Mom, look at me. Look, I'm playing my motorcycle game. Oh, I'm gonna crash. Oh, look.
Basta kukuha ka lang na kahit anong t-shirt. Eh, syempre ako naman nun. Wala naman akong damit nun. So, parang, ano yung outfit ko ngayon, talagang itinag-isip ako ng maganda. Talagang safe. May time talagang di namin alam anong pumasok sa kukote ng lahat. Hindi na ako kakain.
Di pa ako kakain. Si Aging lang kakain. Si Dabong lang kakain kasi busog pa ako. Kumain kasi ako ng noodles kanina tsaka rice. So, mamaya na lang pagdating ni Arvale. Siguro. Or sa hapon na. I'm too full pa, guys. Yummer sana yung ulam kasi mainit pa yung gulay. Busog talaga ako. Hindi kaya ng power.
Sa dami ng kalokohan niya sa school. Tutulog sa hallway.
Si Daddy. Daddy's in the house na, guys. Diretso washroom. LBM ka pa rin. Walang ano yung emoji, Dad?
Hindi naman ako ngayong araw. Ngayon lang, pag-uwi.
Ay, naku. Dapat ano mo, every 6 hours. Kain ka na. Kauwi siya 4. Late na siya start kanina. May kasama ka kanina, Dad? Yeah. Kasama daw pala siya, kaya late na siya start. Oh, may pritong isda pa, oh. Tsaka dapat nag-ginger ale ka. So, i-anuhan mo. Nakailang pupo ka ngayon? Ah. Pero ano pa rin? Wet? Sabayan mo kaya ng Gaviscon. Baka ulcer na yan, Dad. Nagpapagutom ka. Oh my God. Kain na. Ay, baka pahinga ka maaga. Pahinga maaga. Pasok na rin ako bukas. Gising ko nila si Bongbong bukas. Lipat dyan sa room. Samahan si Saysay. Kawawa naman. Kumain niya sila lahat. Ikaw na lang. Si Zion ay okay na. May sore throat pa rin. May sore throat pa rin ang batang yan. Kain pa ng ice drop, baby. Pina-absent mo lang si Mami, eh. Okay ka naman, baby, eh. No? Gusto mo lang kasama si Mami? Ha?
Yes.
Nilagyan ko ng yan, Dad, chicken. Yung tira kahapon na roasted chicken.
Gosh,
Para may lasa.
so yummy.
Ay, okay naman. Ha?
Parang sa restaurant.
Parang sa restaurant. Maganda ka, masarap kanina kasi crunchy. may tutong. Ang sarap. Mas gusto ko yung tutong. Sana ito na lang binaon ko yung tutong. Gusto kong palitan yung kanin ko, yung may tutong. Gusto ko may tutong. This world and yummers! Yan. Gusto ko may tutong-tutong. Yan. Ito guys, yung fried rice natin. Yung mga tirang rice. Gusto ni Sign fried rice din kasi yung ano niya, almusal. So, this is my baon. Ready na for tomorrow. And ito ilagay natin sa fridge. Itong bulaklak ng kalabasa, bukas ko na siguro maluluto. Kasi inuna ko yung bean sprout kasi parang masisira na eh. Tsaka yung na-harvest natin na snap peas, lagyan natin yun ng corned beef. So, ito ay ilagay natin din sa fridge para hindi mapanis. Let's go na lang, ga. Dali.
My feet hurts.
Your feet hurts? What do you want me to do?
Carry me.
Carry you? Oh, let's go inside the washroom.
Don't carry me.
Okay.
Puts down the door, then he puts down the rest of the planks. All right, we have one repeater this way, and then I think this one's backwards, this one's forwards with redstone. Then he connects the redstone here and here, and then he puts the torch, and that creates like the loop. Torch breaks, and then this is where it's getting crashed. I don't like getting crashed because this is obnoxious. Make it stop. Oh my, it's not crashing. Oh, thank you.
That's a lot of toothpaste.
Laugh.
Not funny, didn't laugh.
Not funny?
Didn't laugh.
Yeah, dito na kami sa room.
Mommy, look, we have the same hair colors.
Yeah? How are you?
If we put your head on me again and look at, we're like connected heads.
Yeah. How are you feeling?
Good, a little bit, but my throat, when I drink water, it hurts.
Your throat? You have sore throat?
Yeah, when I drink water, it hurts.
So, mommy can work tomorrow na?
No.
Ay, gusto niya magstay pa si mommy. Maubos na yung vacation ko. Stay pa si mama?
Yes.
I think you're well now.
But they have sore throat.
Dabong is here. No work tomorrow si Dabong.
I don't want Ate Dabong to be here.
Ha? They can take care of
I
you.
want you. I want you.
Wawa mo yun. So yun lang guys. That's it for today's video. Matutulog na kami. Bye! Kararating ko.
Guys, that was fake. That was fake. I'm for real. Please don't go 911. I'm innocent.
Feeling better na ang baby.
I'm innocent.
You're innocent. Feeling better na ang baby. Ako kumakain na ulit. At pumasok ako ng work kanina.
Later, guys, we'll buy Lucky Pizza.
It's not Lucky Pizza. It's Donair.
No, you said
Pizza Donair. Close to Lucky Store. Very good nyo yan. Oh!
I drink my medicine.
You drink by
It's so good, I like it.
Yeah.
There's almost no more, there's only 2 left.
Oh yeah, that's okay.
Where could we buy?
In pharmacy. Magaling na ang baby namin.
Mom,
At saka
I never
pumasok na ako
want
ng
to
work.
do that smoke again.
Which smoke? Ah, the nebulizer?
Yeah.
Kaya, don't eat ng cold, ha? Don't
Or
eat cold.
I'll get the nebulizer.
Kararating lang namin ng bahay.
I'm gonna pray for it. Did everyone get it?
At kumakain kami ng corned beef. Nagluto sila Dabong at Ate Lay.
And butter and bagel. It's my
So
favorite.
we eat corned beef. Walang rice.
Mm.
Di sila nagsaing. Hindi nila nakita yung bigas. Andito na rin si Daddy. Si Ate Lay umalis, nagbili ng skincare
Why does Daddy need skincare?
to make her beautiful.
No, for your skin. Because it's called skincare.
Yes, you're right.
No, Daddy! No!
Yeah. We can eat that because we're not sick.
Oh, yeah.
Just one, Dad. We have dessert. The Kit Kat ice drop.
That's drumstick.
I want Kit Kat, Dad, please.
Mom, why do you
It's
like
Friday,
Kit Kat?
guys. Wala kaming pasok tomorrow.
Mom, why do you like the Kit Kat?
It's day off because I love Kit Kat.
Try the
Too
drumstick.
sweet man yung drumstick. I don't
But
like it.
I like
tried
it.
one.
I like a drumstick. I like drumsticks because they have peanuts and the Kit Kats.
I tried one, but it's really sweet.
Drumstick, I like the peanuts. They're so good. That's why they call it drum. Boom, boom, boom.
Paalis kami, guys. Punta kami ng pizza store. Nag-order kami ng pizza para sa dinner. Yung favorite ni Sayo na chicken donair. Dito lang malapit sa amin. Nag-order kami ng chicken, half beef. Magkano yun, Dad? 20? Mura lang dyan yung pizza nila. Tapos masarap. 29? 29, no? Halos 30 lang. Oh, pero masarap. Pero family na yun. Diba? Masarap yun, guys. Yun yung dinner namin. Hindi na kami nagluto. And today is Friday. It's preparation day for Sabbath. Bukas ay magsisimba kami. Pero wala lang kami masyadong ginawa. Wala akong masyadong ginawa kasi si Dabong day off, naglinis na siya. Pagdating ko, malinis na yung bahay. And yung damit, naka-prepare na rin, naka-plancha na ako ng damit ni Sayon last week. So, wala na siya. The rest ngayon, rest day talaga for Sabbath. So, physically, emotionally, mentally prepared for Sabbath. Talaga lang. Yeah, Friday is preparation day. So, time check is, anong oras na, Dad? 7:40, mag-8 na, guys. Hindi pa malamig, maganda pa rin yung panahon. Mainit pa rin, o tingnan nyo. Nice weather. Ano, Dad, na LBM ka pa rin. Na diarrhea, ilang araw na, Dad. Dapat magpa-doktor na kayo, Dad. Baka amoeba na yan. Ano bang kinain nyo? Paras lang naman tayo nagkinakain. Family.
Yeah.
Yes.
Excuse me, we don't have the new boxes. Can I use the
Yeah,
old boxes?
that's okay.
No worries.
As long as
When I'll
press the bake, it's fine. Ha? Sa likod na lang. Wala silang bagong malaking box. Naubusan. Oh, tignan nyo yung box. Oh. Luma talaga yung box. Nanghingi naman siya ng sorry. At saka nagpaalam naman siya bago niya nilagay. Binigyan niya naman kami ng option kung sa maliit na box na bago or sa malaking box na luma. Sabi namin that's okay. So yan, guys, talagang luma. Luma talaga yung box. Madumi pa. Nadumihan yung labas. May mga mantika. Pero malinis naman yata yung loob.
$4.99 parang ganun.
Oh, in fairness guys, nag-discount naman pala ng $4 kasi walang bagong box. Okay lang naman. Bahay na kami guys and wala mo lang sapin to dad. Malinis kaya to? Ito yung pizza namin. Sana may sapin man lang. Oh, goodness. So, ito yung pizza namin. Sayon! Walang dip, no? Walang ranch. Ayun. Sayon! Tawagin mo. Yummy guys. Walang ranch. Sarap. Beautiful, beautiful Zion, but children of the heavenly King, but children of the heavenly King, sing upward to Zion, the beautiful city of God. The Lord
is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalms 23:1.
In the beginning.
In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth.
Genesis
1:1.
Remember
the Sabbath day to keep it holy. Exodus 28.
Very good.
Our communion with one another is marred by the secret desire to exalt self. To his own disciples, the warning words of Christ are spoken. Take heed and beware of the leaven of the Pharisees.
Be humble, Dad.
Reading Bible.
Constant prayer. Worship.
Yeah.
And
Attending
keep
church.
connected.
Keeping your
Study the Word of God. Ask for the guidance.
Serving Jesus.
All done. Mom.
Yeah.
Kaso hindi
Mom.
naman
Dedicating
kasi-
yourself.
Mom. All done. All
Kasi
done.
minsan kasi yung mga nagsaserve, yung mga may kwan,
Yeah,
may
there's
hidden desire din.
Gabi na guys, 11. Mag-11 na. After namin kumain ng dinner, nag-pizza lang kami, diba? So, nag-worship kami, nag-evening devotional. After nun, nanood lang kami ng message. Nanood kami ng Hope Channel doon sa Pilipinas. And then, yun lang guys for today. And see you tomorrow in the morning. Bye!